All right, so here's some practice for scientific notation. So again, we're going to go right ahead and do some scientific notation practice. Again, I remind you that it is, when you have a scientific notation problem, we deal with two sets of numbers basically. The first number needs to be between 1 and 10. The second number is times 10 to an exponent. So you have scientific notation. Let's say we're dealing with a number like 4.39 times 10 to the second power. Could be anything. Let's call it newtons. Okay, so 4.39 times 10 to the second newtons. If I wanted to write this number as a regular number, we would need to recognize, am I moving the decimal point to the left or is it going to the right? The key here is to remembering that if you have a positive exponent, then your regular number is greater than 1. If you have a negative exponent, you have a less than 1 number. Now let's do both of them just for fun here. Let's go right ahead and erase that. Let's move this 2 places to the left. 1, 2, so that would be 0.0439. Let's now move it to the right 2 places. 1, 2. And moving it to the right 2 places, we would get 439. I know that yellow is a little hard to see. Maybe we can see it a little bit better with the green. So 439 if we move it to the right 2 places. Which one of these numbers, if we have a positive exponent, is greater than 1? Well, obviously 439. So this number in scientific notation would be written as 439 newtons. How about doing an example, since this is practicing, an example going the other way? If I give you a number, 0.000070903. Again, let's call it kiloliters. Okay, kiloliters. Scientific notation, we're going to get that first number between 1 and 0, so 1 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm still not between 1 and 10. Now I am. I've moved it 5 places. So my exponent's going to be to the 5th. Now we'll see if it's positive or negative. 7.0903, that's all of these numbers right here. And I'm going to go times 10 to the 5th. Now is it positive or negative? Is this number right here greater than or less than 1? If it's less than 1, which it is, then my exponent should be negative. So I'm going to come on down here and make it a negative 5 kiloliters. Again, people do get confused because I've moved this decimal in a positive direction. Don't think direction, think, is the number larger or smaller than 1?